We all depose a lot of doctors. So one of the things I do when I have a hired gun on the other side is I immediately get into their money. And what I do, and especially if they testify a lot. So, and what you do, and I have examples from this in the written materials, getting a doctor to admit he's made $1 million, getting a doctor to admit he's made $3 million from testifying, from medical legal related testifying, you sit there and go, how many IMEs do you do a week? How many depots do you do a week? How much do you charge? And you do the quick math on the side, so in a year you're making this much. And they'll always lowball it. But then if you get someone who's been doing it forever, then you add that you've been doing this for how long. Or you ask them at the beginning how long you've been doing it, and you backwards it so they don't get it, where you're going with it. And then you do the quick add it, and then would you agree with me? And you add it all up, and you do it real quick. And then you say, so you agree with me? You've made $3 million from medical legal testifying in the last 30 years, and you do 75% for the defense? No, right? That can be a little laborious. It takes a little bit of time. I think it looks worse for the doctor than you. So there's an example of that. That was from Dr. Petkovich. Frank Petkovich is in there. That was from a couple weeks ago. In PI cases, establish whether the doctor has an independent recollection of events outside of the records. Do that at the beginning in every case, because then in a med mal case, or a treating case, then they're stuck to the records. And defendants can use this very effectively also. And so that's one little trick you want to do. They almost never have any recollection. Or you say, what's your recollection of it? Tell me everything you know. All right, now let's open the records and look at the records. That's something you ought to do. As a quick sideline, when you're in depositions, have the court, so many people don't do this, have the court reporter read back a question if it's good. I do it all the time. I had Drew Babler do this to me 20 years ago, and I still use this line. He said, read that question back, that was a gem. And I use that still today. So, have court reporters read them back, and then they read them back, and then they make them answer them. Did the lawyer provide the doctor his opinions? I have a great example of in the material where I had, and you got to pay attention. Don't just go on your written stuff. Pay attention to what's going on in a trial or in a deposition, because I had this doctor just reading the defense lawyer's disclosure in the beginning of the depo, and you'll see the example. I was going to put it up on a slide, but whatever. You'll see the example saying, now, didn't you just read what the other lawyer gave you? No, I was thinking something, but eventually he said yes. So where'd they get those opinions? Get the doctor's file and look in it, because the defense lawyer, if the defense lawyer sent a letter in the beginning of the case saying, here's what everything we think about the case, it kills and then lo and behold, 6 months later, the doctor's opinions are the same. It kills them.